This video guide is about getting rid of Music-home.info fake human verification alerts. These fake human verification alerts may be presented in various world languages, English, German, French, Russian, and so on. Music-home.info tries to deceive you with a lot of faulty messages. Here it says that you need to click on the special Allow button, supposedly to verify that you are not a robot. In reality, when people mistakenly agree with this proposal and click on Allow, they first get forwarded to some other deceptive and malicious websites. Also, they may be facing a lot of intrusive advertisements that will be displayed randomly in the right bottom part of the computer screen. So, what to do if you have clicked on Allow and now see these ads permanently? What to do if these ads keep distracting you? Of course, you need to fix your browser. Go to the menu, click on Settings, choose Privacy and Security, Site Settings, and then in Permissions select Notifications. Research the list of the sites that are allowed to send notifications. You may find some decent sites, no need to touch them, but if you find some of these malicious sites, be sure to get rid of them from the list by clicking on this button and removing these malicious sites from the list. Basically, this should fix the problem, but I also recommend you to research your system with Combo Cleaner antivirus. The best place to get it is on the page combocleaner.com. So download the software, install it, and start researching your system. Combo Cleaner will help you to detect other problems, to fix them effectively, and to protect your computer and your browser from being infected in the future. Once you start Combo Cleaner antivirus, you need to select your preferred scan type. The trial mode of the program, however, only gives you quick scan, so you have no other option available. The premium version of the software also gives you full system scan and custom scan. After this scan type is selected or you choose the quick scan type in the trial mode, click on Start Scan button. The program, even in the trial mode, will help you to fully analyze your computer, and you'll be able to see the complete summary of all threads that were found during the scanning. But of course, you can also clearly see that the program might first update its anti-malware database in order to make sure that all the threads are properly detected during the scan. And you should not actually cancel this process, because this is crucial for proper malware detection and removal. So after the anti-malware database is successfully updated, the program will begin the analysis of your computer, and then you will see the summary of all threads that were found during the scan. The scanning may take a while. It depends on how infected your computer is. But pay attention to some features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. You may go to Settings, select Anti-ransomware tab, and you will be able to add the special folder which will be protected against all possible ransomware attacks. However, remember that this particular feature is the part of the premium license only. So at the end of scanning, the program will give you the summary of all threads that were found during the scan, and you'll be able to know their exact location on your computer, so you may remove each specific thread manually, one thread at a time, or you may consider upgrading to the premium version to remove all such threads automatically.